Hello everyone, it's Gigo here once again and welcome back to the channel. And today we have Frank and his team here. We're going to see what they've been up to, the past few months. It's been a while that we featured, Frank on the channel. So today we will see a lot of major projects. We will move fast as well, right? So this is, the finish of one of the projects that Frank and his brother actually worked on. So the windows design you see, right? The coping design you are seeing there, is done by Abraham. Abraham is our windows and doors design, right? When it comes to fence wall designing and all of that, Abraham is your guy. If you go to my playlist, there's more information about him. When it comes to all your metal works, in construction, talking about Burglar Proof, balustrade, doors, and gates as well, right? So, even when it comes to tables and chairs, there's a beautiful combination with metals and then wood. We have that design here on the channel. I think we made a video of that. If you go to my playlist once again and you look for Frank Metal Works, you see some of the beautiful designs that he has done when it comes to metal designing. Today's video is going to be a short one, a brief, very brief, because it's just a compilation of most of the projects that we've done. Some of these projects, the owners don't want us to give more details about it. They don't want us to show the house and everything. Privacy is very important, and I do respect privacy. So we just try to just let you know what is happening, right? That's why we are just cutting. We are moving from one project to the other, just cutting things short, just to give you an idea that what is possible to do. Also, as a motivation to someone who wants to think or who is thinking about designing something with metal, like Frank is your guy, right? If you go to my playlist, you've seen some of the designs that he has done. He's a very nice guy to also work with. He has patience, he understands his job. So just get in touch with Frank. That is his number on the screen. And then you deal with him directly, right? So then I think, this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's do it.